All right, looks like we are gonna need to get this alternator out first before we can get the back side of this hose off and see what's going on with it. So I'll have to get down here with the tensioner pulley, loosen this up so I can get the serpentine belt on, but I'll take a little picture of the serpentine belt and the configuration of it before I do that. Okay, we're gonna keep going. See you in a minute. All right, we'll just let that sit for a little bit. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this alternator out of here. I think it's time. This one's smaller, it's on me. 13. Okay, let's see what we can do here. They come off fairly easy here. Start with this guy. Oh, I did. Nice. So it's just got the two 13mm nuts in here, bolts. What? So hopefully it comes out of this housing fairly easy. Oh, that's a long one. Okay, we'll put that up here by our saw. Okay, over by the fan here. Let's see if we can get this one just. Oh, yeah, that one's good too. Get those off. Then there's a couple of connectors in the back of the alternator I gotta deal with too. Okay, there we go. Big bolt, big bolt. Okay. Now let's see if it comes out fairly easy here. Let's see. No, I'll have to pry it a little bit. I knew that. How much? We'll see. Okay, I do have a pry bar. Let me see if I can just get down there and use it. Right on that housing here. Let's see if we can just kind of separate it from it. I saw. Okay. All right, we're gonna try to get this hose out of here now that I have access to the clip. It's gotta be done. Just how we do it is the question with the tools we got. Let's see, it's in there. Let's play around with the size here. Alright, I'll come back. Alright, bit of a standstill because I do need that 14mm deep socket to get that thermostat housing off. So, and then I can put my alternator back in. So I'm either gonna go to the store or I'm gonna probably hang out for a little bit until one magically shows up. Alright. Oh shit, whore.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Making an old truck look new. Trying. There we go.
Right there. Hang out up there, like that. Okay. Good. Alright, we need to get down right in here. Looks like it's broke. So we'll have to check that and see what's going on. Shit. All right, we got it pushed in. Now we just need to get this frame around it. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. Okay, let's test them out. Okay, so now everything in reverse, and then we'll do the next side. Okay, I'll talk to you in a minute. All right. I wanna be with you everywhere. Disconnect this battery while I do this. There we go. Got it. Oh, they're two different ones, but get it out of here. Shoot. And they don't look burnt up, but here it is. Heat blower resistor relay. Okay. And see if we can change out this as well. Blower motor resistor. Okay. The cable, which I should replace as well. So, yeah, I got. Here's the other one. Here's the old one. I mean, I would have to go down, splice all those wires into each other. Same. Oh, it has the same thing. It's got the same. Should be all good. Let me jam it in there and see. It works. Okay, see if we can find the hole. Heat blower resistor. Hopefully I'll have some heat and air when this gets in, but if not, I'll have to figure out the next thing. Yeah. It's on. Okay. Yeah. Gonna cut some wires. Start fresh. Alright, we're back at it. Got some yellow butt connectors. Sixers. Alright, changing that resistor and then just hooking up this wire here. Oh, got leakage here. Worked for the heater. The heater is now blowing, hot. So I'm gonna try to get these lights taken care of, get this reservoir back in, figure out where this plug goes, and then keep moving. All right. A little bit of that, a little bit of that. It's fine. Okay. Lights. Back in. Oh, I don't have an emblem. I'll have to work on that. Lights in and working. I don't have to prove it to you, just believe me. Whew. Resistor in. Plugs in. Hose good. Alternators in there. Whew, man. That heat control valve is down in there. It's good. Okay. Now we're gonna need to figure out what's going on with the AC and the blower not blowing on high setting. A couple things to troubleshoot for sure, but we got these things done today. Now I'm gonna get underneath, do some cleaning, spray some brake cleaner over some oil spots, see if I can see if there's a leak, see if there's still an oil leak or if it's something from the past, which would be awesome. But if not, I'll get it fixed. But let's go under the car now. This part is done for now.